Alright guys, so I'm watching this video now. Fixing to edit it. This is a video from about 2 or 3 months ago on the other side of the greenway, where we were done with all the grading and I had to put these dissipator pads at the end of these pipes. I deleted the best one on accident. On the other end, I had to cut out about 6 feet and about 4 feet deep, and made a nice ditch and everything, and I hate it, but I deleted that one video, so I just figured I'd make these since I had the footage. But anyway, this is coming out of a silt pond behind the camera. There's a silt pond and it is flowing down through here where the track hoe is and is running through the pipe underneath the trail and out the other side to the creek. I don't have any intro or anything like that for this, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover, but I just had to clean it up and you see that pile of riprap there on the trail. I had to put that out. So this is the other side of that pad. I've got a couple more in here, but they're pretty basic. It's all about the same. So this will just kind of be a short, quick video. This side is the side going out towards the creek. So for anybody that doesn't know why we do this, it's called a dissipator pad. It's so water hits the riprap and disperses. I know a lot of people call this rock different names, but we call it riprap around here. Yeah, just letting y'all know that. And another use for it is if any silt comes out of the pipe, it will get trapped in this riprap. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. I don't have an outro. I really appreciate it. I know my quality isn't that great right now. I'm dealing with my camera is a GoPro Hero 6, and it is 5 generations old, I think. I don't really have enough money to afford to buy another one or a drone or anything, but I mean, everybody's subscribing and liking, commenting stuff. It really means a lot, guys. And the more I do, when I start making money, I'll eventually get a drone and a couple other cameras and stuff like that. I want to make it really interesting for you guys. So thank you again. Can't say that enough.